Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by clicking on Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your photos right away. You can also select folders and look for them over here. You can click on Images filter at the top to make it easier. Click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. Wherever you decided, when you finish, just hold your photo that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!